2. Develop a 7-day email nurture sequence. To develop a 7-day email nurture sequence, start by understanding your audience and the goal of the sequence. You aren't just writing emails. You're building a relationship with your subscribers, guiding them toward a specific action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a lead magnet. You must be clear about what action you want them to take by the end of the sequence. This goal will drive the tone, content, and structure of the emails. Begin by mapping out the customer journey. Think about where your subscribers are when they first opt into your list and where you want them to be after the 7th email. Your sequence should gradually guide them from one point to the next. The first email should welcome them, while the last one should lead them to take action. Each email in between should provide value, build trust, and keep them engaged. Your first email is the welcome email. This is arguably the most important email of the sequence because it sets the tone for the relationship. It should be brief but welcoming. Thank the subscriber for joining and let them know what to expect from you moving forward. If you promised something upon sign-up, such as a lead magnet, this is where you deliver on that promise. End the email with a clear, simple call to action, but don't ask for a purchase yet. Instead, you might suggest that they follow you on social media or check out your blog for more valuable content. This email is about making a positive first impression, not pushing a hard sell. In the second email, you should start building trust and establishing authority. Provide helpful, actionable content that relates to their needs. This content should align with the main product or service you will eventually offer them. For example, if you're selling an online course on productivity, the second email could include a short tip or strategy they can implement immediately to improve their workflow. The point is to give them something they can use right away. You're demonstrating that you can provide value without asking for anything in return. By the third email, you should be adding more depth to your relationship with the subscriber. Share a story that humanizes your brand. This could be a personal story about how you got started in your industry or how you faced a similar problem that your subscribers are dealing with. People relate to stories, and they help build a deeper connection. Be authentic. Don't sugarcoat anything. If you struggled, share that struggle. If you failed before you succeeded, be open about it. Vulnerability breeds trust, and trust is essential for the next phase of your nurture sequence. In the fourth email, start introducing your offer, but do it in a subtle way. You've already provided value, and you've shared your story, so now it's time to show your subscribers that you have a solution to their problem. Instead of diving straight into a sales pitch, mention the offer as a natural extension of the content in the email. For example, if you're continuing to provide helpful tips in this email, you could say something like, "If you want to dive deeper into this topic, my course covers this in detail." Don't include a hard sell yet. This is just a gentle introduction to what's coming next. In the fifth email, escalate the conversation about your offer. Highlight the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. Focus on how it solves the subscribers' problems or addresses their pain points. Use real-world examples, testimonials, or case studies to show that your offer has helped others achieve the same results your subscribers are looking for. You're still not making the full pitch, but you're getting closer. This email should start to get the subscriber thinking about how your product or service could make a difference in their life. The sixth email is where you present the offer in full. You've built trust, provided value, and warmed up your audience. Now, it's time to lay out the details. Be clear and direct. Explain exactly what the offer is, why it's valuable, and what they need to do to take advantage of it. Include a strong, specific call to action, whether it's to buy the product, schedule a consultation, or sign up for your service. Use urgency if appropriate, such as limited time discounts or bonuses, to encourage them to act now rather than later. Your CTA should be prominent and repeated at least once more in the email. Finally, the seventh email should act as a final nudge for those who haven't yet taken action. This is where you address common objections that might be holding them back. You can include FAQs, testimonials, or a guarantee to ease any fears or doubts they might have. This email should reassure them that your offer is exactly what they need and that there's no risk in moving forward. Include another strong CTA and, if possible, offer a final incentive to push them over the edge. If you're running a limited time offer, remind them that time is running out. If not, create some urgency through a special bonus or freebie they'll receive if they act now. Throughout the entire sequence, your tone should be conversational and relatable. You're not writing corporate emails. You're writing to a person who has specific problems that your offer can solve. Keep your sentences short, your language clear, and avoid jargon or overly technical terms. Every email should feel like part of a natural conversation, not a sales pitch. At the same time, always keep the end goal in mind. While you're building a relationship and providing value, you also need to lead your subscriber toward a decision. Each email should build on the last, gradually increasing the level of engagement and anticipation. You don't want to hit them with the offer too early, but you also don't want to wait too long and lose their interest. Finding the right balance is key to a successful email nurture sequence. Use analytics to track the performance of each email. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This will help you see where subscribers are dropping off or losing interest, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. If you notice a particular email is underperforming, experiment with changing the subject line, tweaking the copy, or moving the CTA higher up. Email marketing is as much about optimization as it is about writing. By following this structure, you can create a powerful 7-day email nurture sequence that not only provides value but also leads subscribers toward taking action. You'll have built trust, established authority, and demonstrated the value of your offer before making the pitch, which significantly increases the likelihood of conversion. Keep refining your approach and using the data you collect to make each sequence better than the last.